Next question is by Paras. He's asking, what are a few benefits of contributing to open source projects? Paras, there are many benefits to contributing to open source project. The first and foremost one being that it helps you in building your personal brand. Apart from that, there are many other benefits of contributing to open source project, like you become part of a community. When you are contributing to an open source application, you are not only one person, there are many people who are contributing to that open source application, and you become part of that community, which helps you in growing personally as well as professionally. By personally, I means it help you in grow in your technical skills, because when you are contributing to open source, you are not only contributing just via code, you are also understanding the code which is there in the open source tool or the open source application. So you are learning other people code, you are growing yourself technically by learning that particular open source application, and there are many people to help you out, or your community members, they are there to help you out. So you become part of a community if you are contributing to open source projects. Apart from that, it also helps you in gaining recognition as a subject matter expert of the tool or framework in which you are contributing. So let's say you are contributing to .NET Framework. You will be listed on the contributors list of .NET Framework on the site, as well as other documentation which are related to .NET Framework. The same happens to many open source application, and you will be listed down as a contributor on the GitHub page also. By that, you will be recognized in the community as well as industry as a subject matter expert of that particular technology. In this scenario, you will be recognized as a subject matter expert of .NET technology. So contributing to open source give you the recognition of being a subject matter expert in the technology on which you are contributing. It also gives you a platform to showcase your coding expertise, which you can share in your resume without any hesitation. If you work for a client, you can't mention the name of his application, or even if you can mention the name of his application, you need his permission, as you have to sign an NDA or non-disclosure agreement with that client, that you won't be sharing his technology or his project or his application anywhere else. So you can just mention that, okay, I have worked in this kind of application. You can't mention the exactly name of the application or which module you have used, because if you are working for a client, you are bound by some kind of restrictions. But if you are contributing to open source, that thing you can clearly show on your resume, and people can verify that by visiting the GitHub site, that you are really working on that application or not. So it's kind of a verifiable expertise showcase which you can do if you are contributing to open source. Another benefit of contributing to open source is that you might be hired because of that open source contribution. So if some companies decides to use a particular open source technology or a open source tool or framework, and if you are contributing to that open source tool framework, they know that, okay, you are really a subject matter expert in that particular open source tool. So they will contact you directly, and they may hire you as an expert in their team. So it helps you in getting job also. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then as usual, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.